Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Style by Satya. So my today video is about how to get a perfect base for your makeup, and we are gonna use some simple steps. The first one is moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer that suits you. Even if your skin is oily, you can use a moisturizer, or you have to use a moisturizer before getting a perfect base. So I'm using a goat milk moisturizer that is good for my skin because that suits on my skin. So whatever moisturizer that is suits on your skins, because my skin is very dry. It's not just dry, it's a very dry skin, so I'm using this one. And the second step what you have to do is you have to apply a primer on your skin, or you can apply aloe vera gel if you have. So what you have to do is you have to apply that primer or aloe vera gel on that area, like a nose pores, the area where your pores are open or where your pores can be seen. So like nose or near to your cheek sides areas, you have to cover that area with the primer, or with the, you can say, aloe vera gel. You have to just apply on that area. You can gently massage on that particular area. Now after this, if you want to have a little glow or little shininess on your skin, so you can use a face serum. Okay, that is, I'm using a Farsali one face serum. Okay, and what you can do, either you can apply that face serum on your foundation, and then you can use that to for better, like it's depend on you guys, like if you want to use by mixing in the foundation or by directly on your skin. What you have to do is you have to apply that serum all over your face, and you can gently massage, or you can gently dab, or you can say apply all over your face, even in your neck areas if you want to. So you can just see I'm applying this, and you can see the instant shine or instant glow on your skin. You can see this after applying the after applying this face serum. Okay, so now guys, you can use brush or other sponge, whatever suits you, and I'm showing you the way you have to use the brush. You don't have to dab on your skin like forcefully. You can gently dab like a vibrator on your skin for better like applying foundation. It's a better way. Or you can use brush if you're convenient in that way, but I'm convenient with the sponge one, so I use sponge. Now you can use whatever foundation that suits you, but I use gently two or three foundation, that is Revlon or Forever 52 or this one. The best foundation is Revlon one. If you're using for your skin, you don't need to go for all this like moisturizer and everything, but that foundation suits well. And this is Maybelline one I'm using. What you have to do is you have to gently dab on your skin, completely apply all over your skin, all over your neck area, and cover all your face. Okay, now one more thing, you don't have to cover your dark areas, dark eye areas sides with this foundation, or the eyelid areas. What you have to do, you have to just cover the full face and the neck area with this foundation. Okay, now one more thing, what you have to do in this case is you have to apply a concealer, because I told you don't have to use your foundation as a concealer. You have to use a lighter shade according to your face for the concealer. So you have to apply that concealer on your eye area, or any of the areas that is dark after makeup, like the lip sides area, upper lip side, lip, or you can say the down to your lip, that is. So you can cover that area, and you have to cover the between of your eyebrows, that is the forehead nearby, that way. Okay, and after applying all this, what you have to do, you have to apply a setting spray, I'm saying, sorry, you have to apply a setting powder. You can use loose powder, or you can use a compact on your face, just to keep your makeup set and this work very well as a like you can say as a perfect base, and it goes for long. You can use in this way, and after that you have to do contouring, blush, eyeshadow and everything. I'm not that much like a makeup artist or kind of that, but I'm the one who is still a beginner or still trying to do my best in my own way. So this is done.